Namaste everyone, welcome to the Drape Therapy with me Harsha. Today we are going to learn how to wear a Rajrani drape. Rajrani drape offers a royal look and I have chosen this stunning embroidered sari by Kalki with a matching blouse. So wear your heels and shapewear before we start the drape and keep safety pins handy. We'll start tucking the sari from the right side, moving to the left and take a round. This drape is very similar to the Gujarati drape, so if you know how to wear a Gujarati sari, it is going to be very easy for you. We are done with the first step. Now we will make the pallu pleats. So first we have to reach out to the other end of the sari, which is our pallu part, and we will make the pleats with the help of our hands. इस तरीके से हम pleats बना लेंगे. Then we have to secure it with safety pins. हमने पल्लू प्लीट्स बना लिए. Now we have to place it on our right shoulder, taking it from the back to front. Now we have to attach a pallu to the blouse with the help of safety pin. Let's move on to our third step, in which we are going to make the waist pleats. We'll start making the pleats from the right side. The pleats should not be too narrow or too wide. The total number of pleats can be around 6 to 7. इस ड्रेप में आपकी जो वेस्ट प्लीट्स होती है वो आपकी राइट हैंड डायरेक्शन में फेस करती है. And when you're done with the pleating, just secure it with a safety pin and tuck it into your shapewear. The last part of the drape. Take the left corner of the sari and pin it on your left shoulder. Are done with the drape. If you have a royal wedding to attend, you should definitely give this drape a try. Everyone's gonna love it and you can thank me later. Well, I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Try this drape and let me know your experience in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.